10th class first numerical is a normal conversation involves sound intensities of about 3 into 10 raised to power minus 6. What is the decibel level for its intensity? What is the intensity of sound for 100 dB? Solution of first numerical is intensity of sound. Intensity of sound I is equal to 3 into 10 raised to power minus 6 watt per meter square. Intensity of faintest sound I naught is 10 raised to power minus 12 watt per meter square. Intensity of normal conversation. Intensity of normal conservation. The formula of intensity level of sound is intensity level of sound is equal to 10 log I over I naught dB. dB is a decibel. It is a unit of intensity of sound. Put the values 10 log. Value of I is 3.0 into 10 raised to power minus 6 watt per meter square. And the value of I naught is 10 raised to power minus 12 dB. 10 log 3.0 into 10 raised to power minus 6. This is minus 12. When it becomes on numerator, negative sign is converted into positive 1, minus 6 and plus 12. 10 log 3.0 into 10 to the power 6 dB. Minus 6 plus 12. Plus minus plus minus. So minus 6 and plus 12 is plus 6. 10 log 3.0 plus log 10 raised to power 6 dB. This log log of 3.0 and the log of 10 is raised to power 6. So log of 3.0 is 10 into 0.4771 plus log of, this means 6 log of 10 dB. 0.4771 plus log of 10 is 1. So 6 into 1 dB. 10 into 0.4771 plus 6 dB. 10 into 0.4771 plus 6 is 6.4771. Multiply by 10 and answer is 64.771 dB. 64.77 is the greater than 5, so this is answer is 64.8 dB. And the B part is what is the intensity of sound for 100 dB. What is the intensity of sound for 100 dB? Second MCQ is if at Anarkali Bazaar, Lahore, the sound level is 80 dB, what will be intensity of sound there? What will be the intensity of sound there? Second MCQ, second numerical 11.2 is sound level is equal to 80 dB. I naught is equal to 10 raised to power minus 12 watt per meter square. Sound level is equal to ten log I over I naught. Put the value sound level is 80 dB. 10 as it is 10 log. Value of I is unknown. I over 10 is raised to power minus 12 watt per meter square. This 10 here it is multiply. When go to another side it is divided. 10 dB over 80 dB divided by 10 log I over 10 is raised to power minus 12 watt per meter square. 10 8s are 80, so it is 80 dB is equal to log I over 10 is raised to power minus 12 watt per meter square. 8 is equal to log I minus log 10 is raised to power minus 12. 8 is equal to log I minus 12 log of 10, and this becomes log I minus plus 12 log 10. 8 is equal to log I plus 12 and log 10 is equal to 1, so log I plus 12 and there is 8. 8 minus 12 plus 12 इधर चला जाएगा तो वो minus 12 हो जाएगा. Log I answer is minus 4 is equal to log I. I is equal to, here we have a anti-log. I is equal to anti-log minus 4. When we press the shift and log, then we have an anti-log. Minus 4, I is equal to 10 is raised to power minus 4 watt per meter square. It is the answer of second numerical.